Hi guys, so today we have class 10's Trigo question number 4 of exercise 8.3. Now nobody likes this question much because it is not very straightforward. About 98%, even 99% I should say, are not able to solve, okay, unless they are prompted to do in a certain manner. Of course, this is not fair because like any other question, you need to apply to certain identity and thus you're able to get a way through it. But this particular one has got a certain way to maneuver yourself. Do you get it? So how do we do this? Okay, let me just show you. So cos A minus sin A plus 1 over cos A plus sin A minus 1. Now this needs to be proved, okay, equal to the RHS cosec A plus cot A. Right? So how do we go about it? Here, since we have the question already here, okay, now I'll right away go with the solution here while explaining you what method should we adopt. Got it? Now this is a question. Now I am doing only the left hand side, okay, so that we are able to prove it equal to cosec A plus cot A, okay, at the end of it. So first thing is that we need to divide this entire numerator and denominator by sin A. Divide the numerator and okay, this is E, okay, dot went by mistake. So denominator by sin A. So we can write now as cos A over sin A minus sin A over sin A for this plus 1 upon sin A, right? Now below we have cos A already, so we'll divide it by sin A. We have plus sin A, so we'll divide by sin A, right? And we have a minus 1 there, which too needs to be divided by sin A. Alright, so why are we doing this? Okay, somebody should ask. We are doing this so that eventually, because on the right hand side we have, okay, cosec, which we can achieve by converting this, okay, 1 by sin A to cosec, and cot by converting cos A upon sin A, isn't it? So since cos A over sin A is equal to cot A and 1 upon sin A equals to cosec A, right? We need to give this another look. So cos upon sin can be written as cot A. For this, cut. So we have a minus 1. And for this, we have cosec. Alright. Now the denominator. Again we have a cot A here plus 1 minus cosec A. Got it? Now, next, okay, what do we do? After this, we'll arrange, okay? We can write cosec in the front and cot because this is positive, okay? Or we can write, okay, minus 1 on the left hand side, which is to the edge. All right. So let's go to the next page. So I spoke about rearranging. So cot A plus cosec A, right? Minus 1, and below we have cot A minus cosec A plus 1. All right. Now again, the question of memorization, that we are not supposed to touch denominator. This is quite funny, isn't it? So still, this is how we are able to reach what they have given, okay, on the right hand side. So on rearrangement, okay, is the reason. Rearranging the terms, we get what we get? We get this. All right. Now what next? Now we'll substitute this by a formula. Okay. Now what is that formula? I'll let you know. Okay. So far so good. If there is something that is not understandable, so please go pause the video and try and understand once again, okay, so that it is absolutely clear. Okay, so guys, it's very important to settle all these steps properly in mind, because in exam you won't have enough time to, okay, do them. So we know that, okay, 1 can be written as, so let me just explain you. What if we wrote cot A plus cosec A minus, in bracket, cosec square A minus cot square A. Got it? So why are we doing so? Because we know there is a formula, okay, since cosec square A minus cot square A is equal to 1. How do we derive this? Because we know that 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosec square A. Let me write. Since, okay, 1 plus cot square A equals to cosec square A, okay, so we can bring this cot square to the other side and thus we get. All right. Now what do we do to the denominator? Just as I said, we leave it, okay, so we leave it however it is. Got it? What next? Next is, we know that this is like an identity a square minus b square. So can we not write as per the identity a plus b, a minus b? We can, isn't it? So cot A plus cosec A minus, we have cosec A plus cot A and cosec A minus cot A. Correct? Below we have the same denominator. Alright? Now, having done this, what do we achieve? What motive had we for putting this? Let me show you. We have this, okay, this side, and this entire thing this side. So what is so common about this and this? There are two blocks, this and this. Yes, you're right. Cot A plus cosec A, and we have cot A plus cosec A. Just reverse the thing and you'll get it similar. Which means, let's take cosec A plus cot A, okay, as common. This one or this one are the same, okay. And then here we have, for this multiplied by this will give me this, and this multiplied by this will give me this entire thing, correct? Sign will be minus. So we have cosec A minus cot A. Okay? And the denominator will keep trailing behind. Alright? The next thing that we get over here is that we'll need to resolve this. Okay? So cosec A plus cot A is one factor here. The other one is 1 minus cosec A, y minus plus minus plus cot A. And below we have the same. So can we write for this as, okay, 1 plus 1, then as per this minus cosec, and this is plus cot A. Now here we find this same as this, am I right? So the whole thing gets cancelled with this. Didn't get it? Okay, let me just explain you. We have 1 as positive, okay, and here also we have in the denominator 1 as positive. We have minus cosec, okay, ठीक है? So we have minus cosec here also, alright, minus cosec, and we have a positive cot A. So what I'm trying to say is that this one is exactly this in terms of their signs also. So we can cancel, and therefore we have this equals to cosec A plus cot A, which therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence proved. Isn't it? So have you understood or not? So there were certain things that you have to keep in memory. The first thing, let me take you back to the last slide. So first thing, you have to remember that we need to divide the numerator as well as the denominator by sin A. Alright? Now who would know that we are supposed to be dividing this? So which means you need to keep it in your memory. Okay? That we need to divide them all, okay, both numerator as well as denominator to crack the sum. Next thing that you have to keep in mind is that you have to convert, okay, cos A upon sin A as cot A, and 1 by sin A as cosec_A. Alright, having done this, we'll shift this -1 on the edge. Okay, here we do not have another memorization, guys, that you don't have to, okay, do anything, no tampering to this denominator. Who would do that? Okay, so but we will have to do it if we have to crack this question number 4 part 5 properly. All right, so this is how, okay, it is to be done. Next, having substituted 1 with this formula, okay, we get here, and this is enlarged or expanded as per the third identity, a squared minus b squared. Therefore we get a plus b, a minus b. All right, a plus b here and a plus b here, so can we not pull them as common factor? And having pulled it out, we are left with this multiplied by this will give me this, and this multiplied by this will give me this entire thing. Okay, denominator stays calm, okay, below without any involvement. Okay, next, what do we do is we keep this, but we try and rearrange. Okay, what do we rearrange? The denominator as per this. We knew that +1, okay, can be written here like this. Minus cosec can be written the same as this because we have a minus here, and cot A is plus. We can write that as well and cancel. And thus, finally, we salvage or we get cosec A plus cot A, which is the right hand side which we were aiming to equate, okay, with. So LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. Okay guys, so next I'm bringing some more trigo, okay, identity sums which are quite intriguing and which are very complex. So this was a solution of NCERT. So we are meeting soon. So in case you have any queries, do write to me in the comment box, but you must subscribe my channel, otherwise we do not get, okay, propelled into working harder. We want to really bring the best of the videos, but that can only happen if we have your support, guys. And please do think, be compassionate towards we content creators, and I hope you appreciate my or our hard work. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Have a great day. Take care.